Okay.
And this is just some motor oil we have. Okay. And put about some of that in there.
So we'll mix it a 50-50.
Now we'll mix it, yeah. Then it'll stay put, but it's not just thick old glop on there.
I like glop. We want it to stick.
And then what we gotta do is mix it a little. Let me get my hands. Use a
screwdriver, old dirty screwdriver. Use the oldest, dirtiest tool you have.
Use a clean applicator, which would be a finger.
A finger application.
And then we get the cam. We start putting the cam in. But I'm gonna put a little on the cam bearings. This stuff's a little bit sticky, but it's not. It's not like sticking 1960s STP.
Let's see this goopiness. Oh yeah, it's okay.
For those of you that don't remember 1960s, STP was about the thickest, stickiest stuff there was.
Motor honey.
Oh yes, motor honey.
Stops engine smoking. Seals rings.
Oh yeah, it's an engine rebuild in a can.
Yeah, engine rebuild in a can.
Okay, so now we get the cam.
You're gonna looby-doob the cam as well. Mm-hmm. Do you want a table? You put it on that white bench behind you.
So this is first end in?
Yes.
Yeah, there's the wide end. Okay, we're going to go over here with the oil. I hate this. It's so easy to screw up. Okay, if you want to grab that wallet, oil this one up. I'm measuring those cam bearings. They're like 25 thousandths. Smaller, smaller, smaller as you go back.
You gotta lift up. Okay. Hold on a second. I'm getting another drip.
Just gonna set it on the lobe gently.
Oh, you gotta oil the next lobe. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I'm not oiling the lobes yet. I'm just oiling this part.
That's what I was thinking, but not saying.
Okay, then go back. Without digging the bearings all up. You gotta move.
Fender. I'm being a terrible camera person.
You're caught on a lobe.
Being a terrible camera person.
Okay, just stop right there.
Perfect.
Any young person will be all freaked out because they don't have gloves on. Okay, let's see if we can make it back to the back.
Okay.
Good.
It's alright. Okay, I need to stop.
Okay.
Okay. How we doing? Okay. Alright, she's in.
Well, sort of stopped.
In place.
I gotta wipe off my hands. So.
Where'd you get goop all over your hands? What do you think of that looby-doob? Who says looby-doob? Puddin.
Kim does.
Puddin. Puddin's Fab Shop.
Does he say that?
He says looby-doob, yeah.
I didn't know that. I forgot. I watch him some, but you probably watch him more than I do.
Well,
he's a funny guy, though. I should watch him more.
Do you want the... Okay. You're moving it?
Uh-huh.
How's it feel?
It feels really good.
Yeah? Same amount of tight the whole way around?
Yeah, it feels normal.
Great.
Might be in a little too far, but we'll fix that.
Oh, it'll fix itself on the
gear. It'll fix itself there. Okay, the camshaft is in. You know what we need to buy? We need to buy that, what's that oil you need for...
assembly lube. The zinc stuff.
Yeah, I can't think of what it's called.
PPF or... I got that diesel motor oil. Doesn't it have all the vitamins and rocks we need?
I think you bought it.
Okay.
Okay, so there.
Okay, look at the camera and tell them how happy you are that we got this far.
I feel good. We have the cam bearings in and the cam in, and it feels good. And the oil holes are lined up. That's a good thing.
There you go. All right. Progress.
So now
we try and start it. Where do we hook the starter wire? It's ready to go. Oh, don't do that to your hand. That looks painful. Oh, we can put the crankshaft. Oh, we need to find a crankshaft seal. Rear main crankshaft.
that would be in the gasket kit.
All right, I'll go see if I can find it. All right. It's in the mysterious cabinet of doom.
You know what's
Doom. Huh?
That cabinet will be empty one day. We'll be able to put something else in.
Well, I mean, I already put some other things in there. That didn't come off of a Dodge Dakota that I'm working on outside the channel that no one's seen yet. Ignore that. And this is a Carter. That didn't come from the Dart that hasn't got the new intake manifold installed yet. And what's that?
Cam box is empty.
Oh yeah, empty cam box looks wonderful, especially when the cam is in the motor. I mean, it's all coming together, people. This is how it happens. It takes forever, and then all of a sudden, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.